What is up, you guys? Welcome back to another video. I haven't seen y'all in a very long time, and it's because I have been nursing a knee injury. Well, it's not that major, it's actually very minor, but still has been bothering me, so we haven't been able to make as many videos as possible. However, we got these roof racks, got them off Facebook Marketplace. Let's get them installed. So pretty straightforward. They go into all of these little clips right here. So let's flip them all open. Boom. Okay, let's get the other side opened up. There we go. That one. That one. Okay, let's grab the key to open all of these and let's get to installing these. Okay, pretty straightforward. We got our key and just gotta open them all up and they come out just like that. Nice and simple. Sorry for all the background noise. I got a lot of people coming in and out. Come on. Come on. There we go. Why does this one not want to open? Oh, it's a little bit seized. Never mind. Okay, that one is good. Okay. That one is off. Boom. This one is off. Let's carefully remove it. Come on. Is this one gonna come off? There we go. Excellent. Oh, it even shows you which side of the car it goes on. That's super cool. So you can see this is the front left, that's the rear right, rear left, and boom. Okay, let's get these lined up and get these screws into here. It's pretty straightforward. You got the screw right there, and then this screw goes right in. Jesus, people, chill. Holy. Okay, guys, I'm gonna pause it and let's get these installed. Well then, this is actually going pretty smooth. Okay, let's see. Where's that hole? Boom, right there. Let's get that screwed in. Okay, first of all, let's make sure it's in the right area. Yep. This is pretty straightforward. Okay, it's a little bit weird on that side, so I'll make sure I adjust it properly. Wait, am I right? Yes, looks like I'm good. Okay, guys, I need both my hands to tighten this. Be right back. Okay, I've also decided to use a little bit of anti-seize just to, or whatever. Technically it's brake lubricant, but because we're going into like a metal-on-metal surface, I want to make sure that it doesn't rust or anything like that. I'm not sure how long this is going to be on, so let's lubricate those. I think that's super important. Here we go. Okay, yeah, that was definitely a good idea to put some lubricant on the actual bolts themselves, because even as I was taking them out after I tightened them, they were like trying not to come out even with the slightest hand pressure. So I think this was definitely a good idea to put a little bit of lubricant on it. Wow, this one is barely even in. Well, you can kind of see it. Okay, we'll clean it up. There, it's nice and tight. Hopefully this thing doesn't go anywhere. Wow, it's still so loose. That's kind of funny. I guess you gotta tap it to test it. That's kind of funny. Make sure it's all nice and tight. That's really funny how you can just like tap it left to right and it'll not necessarily loosen, but that's the way to know if it's on there properly. Oh, this one's really loose. Okay, I think that's pretty much good. Alright, excellent. Okay, let's get these covers on. Okay there, boom, just like that. Roof racks. That looks pretty cool. There we got the C63 with roof racks. Heck yeah, let's go. Not sure exactly what final purpose these will serve, but we will figure it out. These. Oh, that's how that works. Okay, cool. I'll figure that out later. Nice. Got them all tight. Looks nice and smooth. It's all tight. I'll tighten it a little bit later even more afterwards. Oh yeah, what a day. Well, what a week actually rather. What am I saying? It has been a long week. And guys, I'm just going to take a quick moment with y'all and just talk all real. It has been tiring. We had a long week. It's been a lot of work. It's been very cold. Haven't had the motivation to make a video. I've been busy. My knee hurts. We went skiing. but it's all good. I'm pretty much recovered. Can't really make that excuse. We're gonna finish up this challenge. We got like what, 6 videos left. We got the roof racks. Then we're gonna change the battery. The heck just clicked? I just heard something go click. That was weird. Anyways, whatever. We'll figure it out. So yeah, with that being said, y'all, I will see y'all tomorrow in another video. We're gonna change the battery. Let's finish up this challenge. Hopefully the weather gets better. It's gonna be freaking cold in the next couple of days, so we'll definitely get some of that footage. And then once we're done, that's it. We will begin 2023 officially, even though it's pretty much February, which is kind of funny. We're that late finishing up this challenge, but it's all good. That's just how it happened. Nothing we can do. All right, y'all. Thanks for watching this quick install. This is going to be pretty useful. Eventually, we will have a use for it. I'll talk about that in another video. It's not just for skiing. It's for another purpose. So yeah, peace, guys. Thanks all for watching. I'll see you on another video.